Hey everyone, this is Nakshi and welcome back to my video. So today in this video I'm going to talk about filtration of blood and nephron. So kidney is the main point of filtration of waste blood, and when waste blood enters the kidney through renal artery, and after the filtration the filtered blood leave the kidney through renal vein. So excess water and toxic materials, or you can say contaminated waste, leaves kidney through ureter as urine. So kidney contains filtering units called nephron, which remove waste products and also the waste fluid from the blood as by forming urine. So nephron is the structural and functional unit of blood, in which blood is filtered, and there are three parts of nephron. The first part is Bowman's capsule, the second part is tubule or the tubular part of the nephron, and the third part is collecting duct. So Bowman's capsule contains glomerulus because it is double walled structure that surrounds glomerulus, and the initial filtration of blood takes place in glomerulus. So the exchange of wastage from blood to the Henle's loop and Henle's loop to the blood takes place in the tubule or the tubular part of the nephron, and the urine pass out through the help of collecting duct. So as I said, the initial part of filtration take place in glomerulus. So after filtration the filtered blood comes in the vein, and the remain waste move away to the DCT by glomerulus, sorry, I mean PCT through glomerulus. So PCT means proximal convoluted tubule, and after that when the waste come back in the vein, the such some waste come back in the vein like salt, ammonia, glucose, and etc. So some waste come in the vein, and the blood mix with waste, and then the blood move further, and the remain waste also moved away through the Henle's loop. And when the remain waste pass through the Henle's loop, the other waste which enters in the vein come backs again in the tubule part, and in the DCT part of nephron. So DCT means DCT DCT means distal convoluted tubule. It is also a part of nephron like PCT, and after that, when the waste which was in the vein come back again in the DCT, they form as a urine, and then they pass out to the collecting duct as a form of urine, as a form of liquid. So after that the collecting duct pass this urine to the ureter. Ureter is a pipe-like structure which is jointed from the kidney to the urinary bladder. So the urine from collecting duct pass through the ureter into the urinary bladder, and after that the urine released out through the urethra from the urinary bladder.